Yeah. Alright. Okay. Yeah.
Hello, today we are on our way to the doctor for Zeddy. He had an appointment yesterday. Tomorrow. Like, he's been rubbing and pulling on his ears for about, like, I don't know, maybe like almost a week now, like half a week now. Yesterday he started tugging on the other ear, so I was like, okay, we got to get him in earlier, because if it's an ear infection, I don't want to just drag it. Like, being a mom, I wanted to get him in early. All the kids in the back seat. We got Mason, Bella, she's not feeling well. She's eating her Fruit Loops. She's sick. They're all getting sick, which is a little annoying, but you know.
That means I'm gonna get sick.
So he's gonna get sick. I have a very strong immune system, so I rarely get sick, and when I do get sick, it's like, it's not that bad. I hate getting sick because I'm the mom and I like have to push through it, and like, when he's sick, he gets to lay in bed all day.
Not always. If it's bad.
Yeah, but what about when it's bad for me? I don't get to lay in bed all day.
Yeah, you do.
No, remember, I remember.
That's not if I have to work or not.
But I had the worst morning sickness when I was pregnant with Zed, and I was literally throwing up all day. My stomach was cramped. I was hunched over all day, and he was working graveyard, so he had to sleep during the day. So I was like taking care of the kids, like on the couch, and I remember like I passed out. Like, I just fell asleep for like an hour, and when I woke up, the living room was like demolished, and Bella was in her lunch bag eating like all of her food. Mason was taking batteries out of all of his toys and remotes. I don't know how he got in the toys to take out the batteries, but he did. It was a hot mess.
Niggas who talk shit in high school give me the most respect. Like I'm supposed to forget, how that's gon' reset. Bitches who talk shit in high school give me the most respect. But I ain't never forget, girl, I just want sex. And I ain't doubted myself in a long time. Crazy, I gotta beat the odds just to even out. Crazy, a full-time job still leave me stressed out. Feel like everything in this world is trying to keep me down. Sex, love, pain, pills, smoke, hate, drink, heal. She ain't got nothing on but underwear and heels, and I pray she only loved me for me though. I didn't.
So we are out of the appointment now, and everything went well. I didn't really film much while the doctors were in there. Like, really like timid and like about like bringing in this big camera and stuff and like all this equipment in, because I don't know, it just makes me like feel like super insecure about it or whatever. For some reason I get like really nervous about people telling me like, oh, like you can't film in here. I don't know why. Or like somebody telling me no. Like, I'm afraid of the word no. Like, when people are always like, oh, the worst they could say is no. Like, I'm like, that is the worst. Everything's good with Zed. No ear infection. The doctor said he's just like teething. And I guess like you pull your ears when you're teething, which I know that. But he started pulling both of his ears. But I guess he's just teething really bad. He still has no teeth in his mouth, which worries me a little bit, because Mason was like so advanced. Mason got teeth so early. Mason was already like walking by now. He was walking like, no, he was walking like 9 months, about to be 10 months, and Zed is 8 months, about to be 9 months, but he is trying to stand. But Mason was just extremely advanced, so I guess it's just like I need to stop comparing the two and just realize every baby is different. We are on our way to Walmart because we're going to Vegas on Friday, and I'm so excited. I'm so freaking stoked. So now we're going to Walmart to look for a swimsuit for Zed and pick up any other knickknacks we think we might need.
No time. I ain't really got no time to be wasting. Fake niggas in my way, man, easy to replace them. I just want respect, that's what I'm chasing. Ooh, I ain't really got no time.
I feel like Walmart always has tons of things for girls and like nothing for boys.
Captain America. What are you looking at, Zed? You're looking at me like you're confused.
He's like, why do you have that camera?
Yeah, he's like, what
Here
are you
we
doing?
go, here we go. Here we go.
There you go.
Hey.
Swimsuits. Baby shark. Dun, 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 dun. Didn't we get Mason that crab one right there?
Yes, we did. For his age.
Crabs.
I think I like the blue whales though.
Yeah. I like the shark. So yeah, I mean.
Getting some shoes, trying to find some sandals that Zeddy can fit. For the pool.
2 would be
That's
good.
a size 2?
Yeah.
Because he's still a baby. It was the funniest thing when Trev was trying to put the shoes on and Zed was trying to take off his glasses.
My glasses.
So this boy is crying because he was trying to get some other little boy to get him a toy. I turn around, I hear him talking to someone, and I turn around and he's telling the boy to go pick up a piece of candy for him. So now we're on our way to get food, probably extremely unhealthy McDonald's. And
It's funny.
what?
Because we're trying to eat healthy and then now we're going to McDonald's.
I know, we just went grocery shopping and got a whole bunch of like healthy food, and now we're getting McDonald's just because it's quick and easy, and he has to get home to shower and get ready for work. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We are home, we have eaten, and now it is time to take a nap. So Mason, I need you to get in your bed. We are in Mason's messy room that mommy needs to clean, because every time she cleans it, Mason just demolishes it. Yeah, this is embarrassing to show. But yeah, as you can see, I have a lot of cleaning to do, which is really embarrassing. All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right. So as you can see, nap time was an absolute fail because Mason's getting older and he does not want to nap. So now I will just start to clean up the house.
'Cause even if I leave alone, and even if you come along, it don't mean a thing to me, 'cause I'm without you. If you wanna play games with me, then I'll say what you do for me, then I really don't mean a thing, 'cause I'm
So it's been some time. Trevor left for work a long time ago, like before I even started cleaning. I forgot to vlog it, but we're just chilling, relaxing in a clean house. Ooh, backlit, not okay. Oh my goodness. Zed is over here sneaking an apple, gnawing on it. He actually just started pulling up today by himself, and that is crazy. He's gonna be walking soon. Ooh, excuse me, but we're all about to go for a little walk and check the mail soon. Won't vlog it because checking the mail is hectic. And especially because we have some goodies in there, some things and clothes we got for vacation, things we got for the summer, and everything we're gonna be doing this summer. And so it's gonna be hard to keep track of the kids and carry the packages. So yeah, I will not vlog that trip. So it has been a long time since we last talked. The kids are now in bed. I went to rehearsal for a show I'm in, and I'm just up waiting for Trevor to get home, and I'm gonna work on a little DIY project I have, and I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. So I will talk to you guys, or we will talk to you guys next time, and thank you for watching. Bye.